Hi, my name is Ivan and today I want to show you how to make a funnel chart in any version of Excel. These charts show values across multiple stages in a process. As you can see, here I got telephone debt collection company data, and well, basically they receive 7,000 calls a day, and from those 7,000 calls people answer about 6,000, and from those 6,000 they are going to get promises, hang up, they are going to say if they already paid, and well, you already understand. So let's start with the graph. If you have Office 2019, is going to be really easy. You're going to first of all sort the information. I'm going to select this info, and then I'm just selecting data just to make sure the values. So I'm going to select it, go to data, and then I'm going to sort it from the largest to the smallest. I'm going to expand the selection and then sort. It's already sorted, by the way. So if you have Office 2019, I'm just going to select this info, go to insert, go to charts, and then in the third icon I'm going to click on it and then funnel. As simple as that. As you can see, it's pretty good. But what happens if you do not have Office 2019? Well, you do not have to worry. So let me move this column over here and let me explain you how we are going to make a graph in a previous version. So I want you to see that this 7,000 is the 100%. It's 100% of the calls. So in the right and in the left, we do not have any empty spaces. However, in answer, promise, we do have those spaces. So we're going to create those spaces. Then center is the information that is already shown, and let me create left and right column. Okay, so as this is 100%, this 7,000, we are not going to have any value in left and right. So let's see how we are going to make this formula. First of all, equal sign, we're going to open parentheses, and then 7,000 is 100%, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to fix it pressing F4. Then I'm going to subtract the center value. In this case, as we are making the first formula, is going to be the same cell, so I'm going to click again on D6 and fix the column. So it is not going to move if I go to the right or the left. However, if I go up or down, it's going to move. So I'm going to press F4 3 times, and you are going to see the dollar sign in the letter D. Perfect. I'm going to close this parenthesis, and remember, we have left and right side, so we need to make it proportional. That's why I'm going to divide this by 2. As you can see, I got 0 over here and 0 in the right. Now I'm going to copy this formula down. As you can see, I got values, and it makes sense. The center, the smaller value 287, has the largest number in the left and in the right, or in other words, these blank spaces. I'm going to copy this on the right, so we're going to have all our data. It's the same. You can see all of the rows are going to add up to 7,000. Down here you are going to see that answer calls 7,000, promises, adding left, center, and right 7,000. Okay. Once that is done, we're going to select all the info. Remember, we're not going to select left, center, and right. This is just for reference. And once that this information is selected, we're going to insert and to recommended charts. Over here you're going to see the second one, that is what we need, but to be more clear, I'm going to go to all charts, bar, and I am going to select the third option, 100 stack bar. Here, the first option is what we need. It's similar, but we are not getting there yet. First of all, I'm going to invert this. So click on the vertical axis then right click, and we're going to select the last option, Format Axis. Once that you see Format Axis, down below you're going to see categories in reverse order. So we're going to have from 100% to the smaller percentage. Click on that and we have this shape. Now we need to remove the gray and the blue lines. It's as simple as selecting them. Just click on one of them, so this gray, right click, and remember the last option, Format Data Series. Once I've done that, I'm going to fill and line, and we're going to remove this. So no fill, no line. Remember, no fill, no line. I'm going to close this, and as you can see, they disappear. I'm going to repeat the process, so click on what we do not want to see, right click then select the last option, Format Data Series, and fill and line. No fill, no line. We are getting there. We are pretty close. Now I want to see these values, so I'm going to click in what we want to see, plus sign, data labels. I'm going to remove grid lines, legends, and we're almost there. If we want to see a smaller gap, we're going to click on these orange lines, right click again, and Format Data Series. Over here you're going to see in the last section gap width. I usually like to use 20%, so we're going to have a really similar graph. As you can see, you can make a funnel chart in any version of Excel. I hope you like it.